My name is Staff Sergeant Sheesh for the Virginia Army National Guard. I'm privileged to make today's trophy presentation to Coach Bedwell and the LC Bird Skyhawks on the 10th annual MaxPreps Tour of Champions. Come join me as we celebrate LC Bird's championship season. Hooah!
Coach, congratulations on another trophy, another national ranking trophy. We're really excited to come back again. And just quickly, so you all know, for MaxPreps, what we do when we do the rankings is really based on quality win, strength of schedule, margin of victory, and all those things. And you guys have really handled the season incredibly well. You guys are ranked in the top 100 out of 16,000 teams.
It's an honor and a privilege to be here today to present the trophy to Chief Caldwell, the LC Bird Skyhawks. Excellent job done, guys. So, we present the trophy to the Chief. Come on, Coach. And the Skyhawks. All right, everybody give me a big hand. Let's wrap it up. Let's celebrate. Let's hear it.
To be nationally recognized in the nation is definitely something significant, and to be able to receive this award is something prestigious, is something that is a blessing to be able to come to this school and to this community. This award isn't just for the team of LC Bird, it's for the community of LC Bird, and we thank everybody, and we thank all the supporters, the fans, and our families for pushing us through it and making it possible so that we're able to achieve this accomplishment.
It feels great, you know, to be nationally recognized. It's an honor, you know. I want to thank everybody that supports us and just pushes us through the difficulties during the season.
You know, just to be recognized as one of the top teams in the country by MaxPreps, it's always fun, and you know, just kind of a just a great ending to a good season, and kind of validates what you've done. And our kids are excited, the community's excited, and just looking forward to getting having this in our trophy case along with all the other ones.
It's a privilege to be here. It's always nice to have somebody give out the trophy to one of the schools in our community. As a National Guard member, as a recruiter for the Guard, it's always a pleasure to give back to the community. Very proud of the school and the championship effort they had. Excellent leaders on that team. We're always looking for leaders like that for our military.